Welcome to Math and Me. This video for grade 7. Let's start. Look, use the digits 0 to 9. Replace the box in each number to make a number divisible by 3. Find as many answers as you can. So we know the rule, which number is divisible by 3. Look this one, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, suppose 12, this one we can write 1 plus 2, it means 3. We can divide 3 by 3, the answer will be 1. So 3 can divided by 3, that's why 12 also can divided by 3. Another example, 18 we can write 1 plus 8, it means 9. 9 can be divisible by 3, so 18 can be divisible by 3. If we know this one, we can very easy way solve the problem. Here is 4 box 6. Look, number 1, 4, we don't know the number, and here is 6. Look, 4 plus 6 is 10. So 10 we cannot divide by 3, but if we add plus 2, it means 12. 12 can divide by 3. So if we add here 2, this number, it means 4 to 6 can divisible by 3. This one, another one, here is 4 dash 6, we got 10. If we add 5, it means 15. 15 can divisible by 3, so we can add here 5. In box we can write 2, we can write 5. Another one we can get, look, 4 dash 6. Look, 4 plus 6, it means 10, plus if we add 8, 8 means 18. 18 divisible by 3, so we can put 8. But if we put 9, look, 10 plus 9, it's 19. 19 cannot divisible by 3. So 4 box 6, we got 3 number. One is 2, another one is 5, another one is 8. So we complete this one. Next, number B. Look, number B, here is 1 box, or we can write here 1 dash 3 2. Look, 1 plus 3 plus 2, it means 3, 2, 5 and 6. So if we add here 0 plus 6, it means 6. So 6 can divisible by 3, so we put here 0. Okay, another one, number 2, 1 dash 3 2. So look, 3 to 5 plus 6, if we add 3, it's divisible by 6 plus 3 9. 9 can divisible by 3, so we put here 3. Another one, suppose number 3, 1 dash 3 2. Here is 6. If we again add 6, it means 12. 12 can divisible by 3, so we put here 6. Okay, another one, 1 dash 3 2. 6 plus, if we add 7, 7 plus 6 13. 13 cannot divisible by 3, but if we put 9, 9 means what, 15. 15 divisible by 3, so we can put here 9. So look, our question was use the digits 0 to 9. So we already use 0, 3, 6, 9. But if we add another number like 2, 3, 2, 1, summation 6, if we add 6 plus 2 equals to 8, 8 cannot divisible by 3. If we use 1, 7 cannot divisible by 3. If we use 4, 4 plus 6 plus 4, 10, it cannot divisible by 3. Only 0, 3, 6, 9. So here answer is what? Here answer is 0, 3, 6, 9, and here 2, 5, 8. So next one is 2, 4, 7, 1. Let's start. Number C. Number C, 1, what? 2, 4, 7, 1 dash. Look, 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 1, 6, 7, 7, 7, 14. Look, so what can we add? If we add plus 1, it means 15. 15 can divisible by 3. So we can put here what? 1. Okay. Next, 2, 4, 7, 1, we got 14. If we add 3, it means 17. 17 cannot divisible by 3. But if we add 4, so 4 plus 14, it means 18. 18 can divisible by 3. So 2, 4, 7, 1, then we can add 4. Okay. Now next, 14 plus, if we add 5, it will become 19. It cannot. If we add 6, it means 20. It cannot divisible by. But if we add 7, look, 7 plus 14, it means 21. 21 can divisible by 3. So here is number 3, 2, 4, 7, 1, and we can add here 7. Okay. Now again, 14 plus, if we add 8, it means 22. 22 cannot divisible by 3. If we add 9 means 23. It's also not divisible by 3. So our answer 1, 4, 7. So we can write here 1, 4, 7. So look, replace the box in each number to make a number divisible by 3. Use the digit 0 to 9. Find as many answers as you can. We already solved our problem. Look, number A 2, 5, 8 we can put in the box. Number B 0, 3, 6, 9 we can put in the box. And finally 1, 4, 7 we can put in the box. Thank you very much being with me. We will solve this kinds of problem. This is very important for grade 7 and also another kinds of admission test and job exam. Bye bye. Don't forget to share with others. Please subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you.